Breaking news out of New York right now, where the state's Court of Appeals decided to overturn the rape conviction of disgraced Hollywood movie producer Harvey Weinstein.
That's right. A jury convicted him of criminal sexual assault in the first degree and rape in the third degree. Now, you may remember this landmark case as one that sparked the hashtag #MeToo movement back in 2017. Weinstein is currently in his fourth year of a 23-year prison sentence. NBC News correspondent Chloe Melas is here to break all of this down. Chloe, this is interesting because the court voted 4-3 to overturn this conviction. Why? What do they say?
You know, I just want to read you what the court has said in their ruling. They write in part that the court compounded that, wait, let me start here. We conclude that the trial court erroneously admitted testimony of uncharged alleged prior sexual act against persons other than the complainants of the underlying crimes because of that testimony served no material non-propensity purpose. Listen, I sat inside that courtroom every single day during his New York criminal trial. And what they had were Mullineaux witnesses. They had individuals come forward, which is not uncommon in trials, and speak about allegations that are not directly connected to the crimes that the defendant is charged with, but it's in an effort for the prosecutors to show an alleged pattern of behavior. So what we saw during Harvey Weinstein's trial in 2020, in 2019, 2020, was that there were women who came forward with allegations, but they were not part of the crimes that he was being charged with.
In
New York. And so now you have the court overturning this conviction, saying that, what you're going to have to do is start over with an entirely new trial. And that is what we're hearing today from attorneys that represented those women, from attorneys that represented the Mullineaux witnesses, saying that this is a step back for the Me Too movement, that now individuals and victims and alleged victims are re-traumatized today, and that they will see it through, that he stands trial once again. But again, he also has to go to California.
Yeah. Let's talk about the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. They're the ones that originally brought this case. What are they saying about this decision to overturn the conviction? And then Weinstein, he is in prison.
Yeah. So he's serving a 23-year sentence here in New York. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office, they've slammed this decision, and they said that they will retry him. But again, like you just said, he was convicted in the state of California, and he has to now go serve that concurrent sentence of about 20 years. But could this mean that potentially that could be overturned? That's a long road ahead, and that's what his spokesperson told me today. There is a press conference in just a few hours. I will be there, and we'll be hearing from Harvey Weinstein's attorneys and what they plan to do next.
All right, we'll be watching. NBC News correspondent Chloe Melas. Chloe, thank you so much.
Thanks, Chloe.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.